subscribe.
Here, and today I'm super excited to bring you this awesome Shopkins set. This one's called Sweet Spot. Whoa, it's like a little Gumball machine, but for Shopkins. I can't wait to fill this up with Shopkins. Let's open it up and take a closer look. Here's our set taken out of the box. I can't wait to try out the Shopkins dispenser. This set comes with 2 exclusive Shopkins. Here's our first one. It's a green lollipop, and it actually doesn't have a name yet. I think we should name him Lolly, since he kind of reminds me of Lolly Poppins. And here's our second exclusive Shopkin. It's a jelly bean, so I think we should name it Jelly Belly. Let me know in the comments what you guys would name these Shopkins. This set also comes with 2 bags. Here's our first one. It's purple. We can put our Shopkins right inside. And our second one is pink. This is a lollipop stand that we can put our Shopkins on. And in our dispenser, we have these little bubbles that carry our Shopkins. This one's orange. And it opens just like this. It fits 1 Shopkin inside. We have pink, blue, red, yellow, and green. I've filled each of the bubbles with a secret Shopkin. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Let's turn the knob and see which one we get first. Ooh, a yellow one. Awesome! Right off the bat, we got a rare Shopkin. This one's name is Macaroon, and it's a part of Season 3. We'll put Macaroon right here. Let's do another one. Ooh, a pink one. Let's see who's in our pink one. Oh, Birthday Betty! Doesn't she look super cute with her strawberry frosting? And she has a birthday sign on her. For any of you who have birthdays today, happy birthday! We'll put Betty right here to play with the other Shopkins. Let's see what our next one's going to be. A red one. We got another cake, but this one's a different type of cake. This is Wendy Wedding Cake, and she's also a rare Shopkin. We'll put her right here next to the other cake. We'll spin it around again, and out came a green one. Oh, hi there, Pop Rock. I love Pop Rock candies. Have you guys ever had them? We'll put Pop Rock over here. And for our next one, we have a blue one. We got a double! It's Macaroon again. But that's totally fine, because this is another rare Shopkin. We'll put the twins over here. And this is our last bubble, our orange one. Oh cool, another exclusive Shopkin. This one's name is Kylie Cone. She's a double scoop of ice cream. I think I'm going to take her to go. We'll put her in this bag. She fits perfectly. Here's all of the Shopkins we opened today. Give this video a thumbs up if you love Shopkins. Well, this was so much fun! I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to see more. Thanks!
Also, if you haven't done so already, be sure to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. The links are in the description box below.